What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. It's the 15th. Let's see. We should be at 152. Target is to hit 167. We're ahead of that target. We did some tournaments, hit a couple of trades, so it was all good. We did a few dollar trades. We're up $2, almost a whole $2, and we'll try to go ahead and get our 10% today. I mean, we're ahead of target, but that can change easy, especially at this amount. You know, the amount of trades, not the amount of trades, the dollar amount of the trade is increasing. So this balance can go up nicely. It can also go down, you know, quite fast. So checking this chart out, it seems to be pushing in the, you know, when it pushes nicely. So I might go ahead and stay in this chart. You know, I hit my dollar trades and seem to be doing okay, but that's when it was a little smoother here. But we'll see how it goes. See if we can catch this at a good time, get 2 trades and be done with it. I'm not sure how much time I'll have later in the day. Oh, I wanted to pull the trigger there, I wasn't sure how much time I have later in the day, so I figured since I'm up right now, technically it's the 15th, I'll just go ahead and get in the charts here and see what it do. It's gonna come up, ain't you? Yep, did me dirty here. I was just a little early, yeah. Okay, got that one. Almost lost that. So we broke even, but we're losing that 8%, which at this point is, you know, a higher amount because of the dollar amount. So you don't want that. I'm gonna hit 2 here. There we go. It's acting a little funny. I thought it was going to be a strong push down. That's why I even went ahead and double back down on it. But I could have been completely wrong. So I got a little lucky here, y'all. I got a little lucky here. Because I thought for sure it was going to be a strong push down. So this chart threw me for a loop here. So I admit I was right, but I was wrong. So I'm gonna chunk this up to getting lucky because I was wrong here. When I lose a trade, let's say I would have traded it going down and it would have came up a little bit and I lost and then it pushed down, I would say I lost the trade, but I was still right. You know, I was just early or whatever the case. But in this case, I just got lucky because I thought it was gonna keep pushing down and it did the opposite. So I got lucky on my trades. That's not good. I don't like that. So this makes me hesitant. I'm going to try one more trade because that will get us up to where I want to be. But if I go back down to 240, that'll be it for the day. Maybe I should even stop here. That's $12 profit, but I kind of want one more. And if I stop talking, I could have caught this candle here. I'll wait for the next, see what it do. Keep pushing up, or you coming down strong? Okay, so this is real undecided here. I'm gonna have to trade each candle individually. A little late there, but we got it. All right, so this was not a good session. We're in profit. It was not a good session. It could have easily went the other way. I was real confident when I placed those 3 trades back to back. I was super confident it was going down. Like, I felt like it was going to make me look like a genius here, you know, on this candle right here. I mean, this green one right here. It finished here. I thought it was going to just go. So I was going to hit it, and it was just going to pass it up, and I was going to win it by a lot. But that didn't happen. I barely won them, and then they went up. So I got lucky, and then even on this last trade here, it was a close call. I didn't feel after I made the trade, it was sitting right there, and I was ready for it to win or lose. So I feel like I'm making the right decisions, but it's not going how I would like. So I'm just going to get out here. See, I'm looking at this candle. It's doing what I think it would do, but I feel like as soon as I get in here, it might act funny. I'm just looking at it. I mean, I just made a mental trade, and here again, I would have traded it down. It came up a little bit and then went down. So I might have gotten it last second again. Now we talking. Okay. So it froze there a little bit. Now like that, yeah, y'all see it's lagging, or at least it's acting like it's lagging. I don't know. I feel like I don't feel cool. I don't feel right about it right now. Let's see. All right, I'll leave it alone. I got lucky. I'm gonna take my luck and get up out of here because the bad luck comes with it sometimes. You know, right? You turn around, you got lucky. You should just count your blessings and keep it moving instead of being greedy. And this is where I have to stop. Stop being greedy. I mean, I like the way the chart's moving, but when I got in with my trades, I was wrong. Like here, I wanted to go up. I'm waiting for it. Okay, then here I would push. And see, when I'm pushing, it's doing that. So I could have I would have lost this one, or I could have spiked in my direction. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it here. This chart's the perfect trap for me. This is the perfect trap for me. So glad I'm not in this chart. It's moving how I want. Like it seems like these strong pushes, but then it's retracting just enough right when I would enter. So I'm gonna get out the charts for now. We're up 268, so we already hit our target here. So we'll start tomorrow at not start at 167, but tomorrow we should be at 167, and we'll push for 184. But as you can see, we're at 268. So I'm not even looking at these targets for now. I'm trying to increase here. I still want to get that 10% profit each day. Oh, this chart is just reeling me in, y'all. I'm leaving. Look at that. Damn, damn, damn. Alright. Alright, this is where my discipline has to kick in. Leave this chart alone. Because you got lucky. Here we go. We're ahead right now. Back on track, man. And here I am being disciplined because this charts, it just speaks to me, man. But my trades were lucky. I'm out. I appreciate y'all for watching. Comment, subscribe, all of the above. Hopefully I can keep this train going, man. I'm pushing for mid-August would be nice. I mean, of course July is looking nice too, but August is it, y'all. Disgusting. Am I gonna keep going here? Probably not. Yes and no. A withdrawal will definitely come. I will definitely withdraw here in August. All of it? No, probably not. But I'll take out a healthy sum here because I'm not gonna lose that back at all, you know. But shoot, if we hit mid-August, we'll be good to go, you know. So we'll probably withdraw early August. Maybe even when we hit 10K, we'll make a withdrawal, and then I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If I make it up to there, maybe I should keep going, right? Because I'll make a deal with y'all. If I reach the 10K, I'll keep going. But if I drop back down to 7 or 8, that'll be my sign to just take these wins and start over. But when we're starting over, we're not starting over with $36 or $71, right? When I mean start over, I'll go back to doing what I normally do. We'll be placing at least $100 or more. But I may just do the 10% a day at a higher. We'll withdraw and maybe start at 1,000 and then go back up 10% a day or whatever the case. But let's just get here first. Let's get here first. But you know what? I'm locked in, y'all, and I definitely feel like we can hit this here for sure. I never pushed my account this far, only because, like I say, once I get about 3-4 thousand, I'm usually like, well, let me take that out, you know. I just take my profit because I don't want to get to 4,000 and then get greedy and lose it back, and I'm at $200. That's crazy to me. A lot of people do it. I'll do it if I'm at like $200, and I might lose the 200, but we're already getting into the zone where I refuse to lose. What I might do is maybe I'll withdraw this money and then deposit it back in with a bonus going forward. That way, I'll either put it all back in with a bonus, and that'll bring us ahead. That'll bring us ahead even more. Or maybe I'll do it later here. Take out this 1,000 and then get like 100% bonus or something, and jump right back in with 2. We'll see. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, Robert. So I'm ahead of the game right now. We're supposed to be at 167, and we're ahead of that. So we're a couple of days ahead. So we'll try to keep that going. I wanted to do a couple of more trades today, but since I got lucky, I'm going to just, like I say, count my blessings and get up out of here. Then I'm going to get this money back because I can see myself losing some trades. All right. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can make this into some real money this series. I'm getting excited because the dollar amounts are getting bigger. So now we're doing, $20 trades, which is more like my style. Not really $20, but now we're really getting ahead. Each trade matters that much more. Okay, each trade matters that much more. So actually, just so y'all know, I usually go back down to $1 because sometimes we'll get in here and look at that. Sometimes look at me with loss. But anyway, sometimes we get in here and it's at a different amount and you place a trade on accident. A lot of times those lose. I'm out. I'm glad I'm done for the day. Got a busy day ahead. going into work a little early today. Um, I'm actually in a little table tennis tournament at work, playing for third place, which is not cool. I should have been in a final, but I'm not, um, and that's my own fault. But I have no one else to blame but myself for that. It's not that serious. It's just at work for fun. Uh, gonna play a buddy of mine here for third place, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. You know, plan on giving him the business. You know what I'm saying? And at least get that. And then next year I'll get first, and then maybe the year after that I'll get second, just to make it the trifecta. You know what I mean? But if I'm still at work, then you know what I mean. I mean, if my little 10% daily works, you know, just doing a couple of trades a day and then being disciplined with it, you know, because normally trade more. I normally keep the amounts lower, but you know, not lower. It depends. But if I'm back up to my $1,000 trades like I used to be, with the $1,000 trades, I would trade too much, and I would break even a lot because I was greedy. So now, if I could just hit 1K a day, that would be gravy. And we are well on our way. It's just, see, I'm already thinking about like, yeah, but I like to withdraw when I'm here. 2,000, 3,000, we're taking money out. But we're gonna push to August. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna push up here, pay off some cars, and then we're gonna get new cars. Actually, the cars I'm trying to pay off are already fairly new. 2019 and a 2022. So pay both of those off, and then yeah, let me get me something new. Everything else is taken care of. So don't say nothing to me if we get up in here, y'all. I'm gonna be like them clowns that start charging. You know, nah. The content will stay free. The content will stay unedited. But these are end goals here. I mean, stop the madness, right? I mean, it would be hard to do this daily, like 10%. Okay, today I'll try to hit 20K. It's actually not hard because they'll allow you to do like a $20,000 trade. I will not do a $20,000 trade ever in my life. Why would I do that? I don't care if I have $1 million. I'm not doing a $20,000 trade. That's just, I don't know. I respect situation I've been in. I respect the situation I'm in. I respect the situation other people are in. For me to lose $20,000 in one trade, while other people could use that for who knows what, would be crazy to me. So I will never do that. My trades will not go over $1,000. Even when I can do 2,000 and 5,000, I won't go over 1,000. 1,000 is nice and even for me. It'll be like if I trade $1 trades, and I just slowly build that up. It'll be nice and easy. It'll be nice and steady. Just do one trade here and there, and I probably won't be as tight with it either. Just go with the flow, and you know, sometimes hit 8 in a row, 10 in a row. You know how it goes. Sometimes lose 5 in a row. But that's the end goal, is to get up in 100,000. Not the end goal, but my goal is to get up in here 100,000. Account balance wise, that's not counting withdrawals. Like I want my balance to be up there, so I can just make $1,000 trades at ease, and just take profits each week. I don't feel like I ever need to stop trading. You know, this is not it's not hard work, and if you're at a comfortable amount to where you can just do $1,000 trades, then to me that won't be no stress. Like right now, if I go down and I'll do dollar trades, I will not be stressed at all. Like it's nothing, right? So yeah, if I could just sit here and do dollar trades all day, you know, not all day, but like while I'm watching TV or something, I'll hit more trades than I lose for sure. So if I can sit here and just do dollar trades, I'll do that and make money. So if I could treat $1,000 like it's $1, we'll be good to go. And I'll definitely make some crazy profit throughout the week. And for sure, I will never trade a $20,000 trade unless Pocket Option wants to sponsor your boy and just for some advertisement or something. I'll do a video doing a $20,000 trade, but they would have to reach out. If this channel gets bigger, which I think eventually it will, especially if I do well in this challenge. Who knows? Maybe I can reach out to them and see what I can get from the platform. Basically just getting them business as well. But who knows? If not, who cares? I'm just trying to get this money while I can. I've talked too long. I appreciate y'all for watching. Sometimes the kids or the fam will put on a video and they just like, hearing what I have to say, see me in my element. It's all love from the family and everything. My love, my baby, she'll watch this, and just hear me talk, probably laugh because she knows me. But it is what it is. I'll holla at y'all, and hopefully we'll stay ahead of the game here. Look at these candles, man. It's actually not looking good here. Yeah, this chart is my kryptonite right here. I didn't recognize it wasn't good for me, and I just like these long candles. It wasn't jumping too much, but it was retracting in the right moments. So I'm glad I got out ahead, and I will holla at y'all. Deuce.